G'day, my name is Mariska and my business is Mariska Threadgold Copywriting. I highly recommend and suggest doing this course, and if you can, doing it early on in your business setup. You will learn how to set up correctly using the best practice, how to monitor, what tools to use, and how to get the best results for your effort. Now for me, the course paid for itself within a few weeks. My website had only been up for a few months, and when I was working through the course, I worked out that only about a third of my pages were able to be seen by the Google bots. So there was no organic traffic happening on the other pages. Now, I'm not techie, but I got through the course. I just allowed a little bit of extra time for the technical learning side of things. You will learn a new language. You'll be talking rel canonicals and robot txt files. Now, that is fine because you may decide some things you want to outsource, but being able to talk the tech means that you can hopefully come across that you know what you're talking about, and it means you won't get ripped off by a third party. And the great thing is you have lifetime access. So as things change and get updated, you can always pop back in and have a look at the course. Now, another great feature is the question and answer sessions. I did find that early on I had so many questions, and I might be studying on, say, Saturday or Sunday, and the Q&A session wasn't until Thursday. So a couple of times I'm like, I've got these questions I want to ask. But as you go through the course and you learn more, you will, your need for those questions is lower. So the extra benefits, of course, for a copywriter is that you will be able to learn skills that you can on-sell and value add to your clients. And also you're able to set realistic expectations. So yes, you can write fantastic SEO copy, but you're able to say to a client, hey, you need to go and have a look at some other things on your site, perhaps your site speed or some other issues. So you're not letting them believe that the copywriting is the only side that's going to affect their SEO. So all in all, look, Kate is an awesome presence. She's funny, she's honest, and she's really genuine. Don't hesitate. Get into Kate Toon's SEO Kitchen, do the recipe for SEO Success course, and start getting the delicious SEO goodness. Thank you.